Althea, how are you doing? I know I look so decked up, but this is what the video is. I'm gonna be creating this makeup look. It's been a while since I've done any makeup video on this channel. It's a full festive season for Christmas vibe. So if you're interested in learning how I did this or created this makeup look, keep watching this video and I'll try my best and make it as short as possible, but I hope you enjoy it. And if you do recreate this, please click pictures, post them on Instagram, post them on social media, tag me, okay? Now let's get right into the video.
Throwing that dirt all on my name, 'cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been going round, going round, going round every party in LA, 'cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be in one. I know the dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine, and now I'm all upon you. What you expect, but you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start, you're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, running around, running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here standing face to face, you already know that you won. I know that dress is coming, perfume regret, yeah. You got me thinking about when you were mine. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all upon you, what you expect, baby. But you're not coming home with me tonight. Yeah, I just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? Yeah, you just want attention. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older.
You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson, okay?
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar.
Well, I hope you like this video, you enjoyed it, and you learned something. If you learned to do this look, then bravo! Please upload pictures of your creation of it, please. So, in case you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button, and also click the bell notifications button so that you get notified every time I post a video. And hopefully it's gonna be a bit more frequent than it was before. And I hope you stay safe, take care of your family, stay safe, be kind to everyone, spread the love. It's the festive season, it's the end of 2020. I hope that 2021 has something great in store for us. So I don't know when a dance video is coming, but until next time, keep those feet tapping.
We're getting older. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you